So I was sent the Puricon drink organizer for refrigerators. So this is a push glide system. It's spring loaded and it's great for dispensing drinks. It's self-pushing. It's great for soda can organizations, beer bottle beverage, drink holders. It's 5 rows and in black. So I really like this because this gives me the feeling that I'm in a convenience store and just choosing my product off the shelf, and it self-floats to the front. This way I'm not digging in the back for a soda can, and it looks real nice, professional. It's very easy to put together. It's spring loaded in the back so that you push the slide all the way back, you load your cans, and then you push it again. You release the lock and it activates the spring. They come sliding forward with pressure and you're ready to go. And this is great for any refrigerator that you want to entertain in your house. When your guests open up the fridge, they'll be pleasantly surprised to see such nice functional organization.